Okay, I want to show you guys one thing that happens with time when you've had implants. We talk about the capsule stretches and they fall out of the pocket. I want to show you what that means. So we're going to zoom in here. So she's got 400cc high profile implants. I've made 2 marks. When she's sitting in the upright position, this is where her normal fold should be. This is where her lower fold is. When she lays down, the implants fall off the side. They've stretched the pocket laterally, and this is the edge of the implant now. So over here, you can't see it, so I'll show you on this side. I've marked way out here where this implant is. Where it should be is here. Should be right along this line here. So what I'll do is go in the pocket and suture up those 2 lines from the inside together. So the number one thing is to get the implant back in position, and that's what we're gonna do. And then we'll show you some footage about getting her a bigger implant that's gonna give her more volume up there. But that's what happens when the pocket stretches. The capsule stretches and everything just falls off to the side, and we need to redistribute the pocket to make it look normal again. Okay, I want to show you what we've done. It's literally been like, I don't know, 5 minutes since we started the case. All I've done is I went into the pocket and opened up the pocket a little bit. She has a high profile 400cc implant over here. I stepped it up to what we call an ultra high profile, which is higher than a high profile. And we went from a 400 size to 580, and you can already see the difference. She's got a little more fullness here, but it still looks elegant and nice. This implant is wider, so it's actually filled out that area where I thought I was gonna have to suture her up. I'm not gonna have to suture her up. I think this is going to accomplish her goal of wanting to be a little bit more full. I asked her, if I could just do that, is that what you're looking for? And she said yes. So you can see that this has created that by just simply going up in profile and a larger implant. So I'll show you the end, but I think this is gonna be a slamming result for her.